Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to our channel, the place where style meets elegance and class is never compromised. If you're tired of outfits that scream trying too hard instead of effortless sophistication, then today's video is a must-watch. We're diving into fashion habits that might be silently screaming low class, and don't worry, we're not here to judge, we're here to elevate. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's give your wardrobe the glow-up it truly deserves. One, overloading on logos. Big designer logos can be tempting. They're bold, recognizable, and seem to say, "I made it." But ironically, layering them all over your outfit can have the opposite effect. When fashion screams for attention, it often lacks the subtlety and grace that truly refined style exudes. The real flex? Understated elegance. Think of quiet luxury. It's all about whispering confidence, not shouting it. Style tip. Opt for minimalist pieces from brands known for their craftsmanship. A single, subtle logo or none at all exudes confidence and sophistication. Two, excessive accessories. Accessories are the spice of any outfit, but too much spice can ruin the dish. Loading on oversized earrings, chunky necklaces, loud sunglasses, and stacks of bracelets all at once can look chaotic and unbalanced. The goal is to look styled, not cluttered. True fashionistas know how to let their accessories breathe. Style tip. Choose one statement piece, be it a bold necklace or standout earrings, and keep the rest of your accessories minimal to let that piece shine. 3. Neglecting garment care. Even the most luxurious designer outfit loses its charm if it's wrinkled, stained, or looks worn out. Wearing unpressed shirts or visibly pilled sweaters can give the impression that you're not attentive to detail. And in fashion, details are everything. A well-maintained outfit shows respect for yourself and for the effort you put into your appearance. Style tip. Invest in a good steamer and take the time to iron your clothes. Proper garment care ensures your outfits always look polished and put together. Four, visible undergarments. Nothing ruins a sleek outfit faster than a visible bra strap or awkward panty lines. It breaks the illusion of seamlessness and can instantly downgrade your entire look. It's not about covering up, it's about maintaining clean, intentional lines that flatter your body and outfit. Style tip. Choose undergarments that match your skin tone and are appropriate for your outfit's cut. Seamless and strapless options are great for a clean look. Five, poor footwear choices. Shoes aren't just functional. They're the punctuation mark of your outfit. Worn-out sneakers, dirty flip-flops, or platform heels that don't match the rest of your look can ruin the vibe in seconds. Shoes are often the first thing people subconsciously notice, so make that impression count. Style tip. Keep your shoes clean and in good condition. Invest in versatile styles like classic pumps, loafers, or clean sneakers that can elevate various outfits. 6. Mismatched colors. Color can make or break an outfit. While bold choices can be fun, combining clashing tones without balance or harmony often gives the impression of inexperience. A well-thought-out color palette shows intention and style awareness. It tells a story. Don't let your outfit scream confusion. Style tip. Stick to a cohesive color palette. Neutral tones like beige, navy, and olive are versatile and exude elegance. 7. Ignoring fit and tailoring. No matter how trendy or expensive your clothes are, if they don't fit well, they won't look good. Oversized pants that sag, jackets that bunch at the shoulders, or dresses that cling in the wrong places can make you look disheveled instead of polished. A perfectly tailored fit can elevate even the most basic outfit to a high fashion moment. Style tip: prioritize fit over size. Tailoring your clothes to your body ensures a flattering and sophisticated appearance. 8. Outdated trends. Sagging pants. Fashion is ever evolving, and sagging pants are a trend best left in the early 2000s. These days, it comes off as juvenile and out of touch with current fashion sensibilities. Confidence comes from being well put together, not from following outdated streetwear statements. Style tip: opt for well-fitted trousers or jeans that sit at your waist, offering a cleaner and more polished look. 9. Overly revealing outfits. There's a fine line between sexy and tacky, and it's all about intention and balance. Showing too much skin in an unflattering or unstructured way can distract rather than allure. Confidence doesn't require exposure, it just requires poise and taste. Show off your best features without giving everything away. Style tip: aim for balance. If you're highlighting one area, such as your legs, consider keeping other areas more covered to maintain elegance. 10. Neglecting personal grooming. Great style isn't just about clothes, it starts with personal care. Unkempt hair, chipped nail polish, or a lack of skincare can give off a vibe of carelessness. Fashion is holistic. Your grooming should be an extension of your aesthetic, not a contradiction to it. Style tip: maintain a regular grooming routine, including hair care, skincare, and nail maintenance, to complement your stylish outfits. Remember, fashion is more than trends. It's your visual signature. Avoiding these style missteps and embracing intentional, elevated choices can be the difference between looking put together and falling apart. Which of these fashion mistakes have you seen, or maybe made yourself? Let us know in the comments. And if you're ready to step up your style game, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep it classy, Fashion Fam.